Hey, what's up everybody? It's Randy. Thanks for joining me for this Black Orchid Project Quick Tip. Black Orchid Project Quick Tips are a series of short videos to help you keep your Phalaenopsis orchid happy and healthy. So let's take a look at this new tip. So I get this question quite often. How do you shine the leaves on the plant? As you can see, if you water them, they get like this little white scaling, or they might just get dusty and dirty. And it used to be a time where people would actually use stuff like Pledge and things like that. And as you know, like a lot of times, just regular water won't just get these, get it clean and get these watermarks and things off of it. So I have a natural way that we're going to do this, and it is with a banana peel. That's right, a banana peel. So what I'm going to do is just take this banana peel, and I am going to cut it there. And I'm just going to take this banana peel and start to wipe at this leaf here. And I'm just going to use this just like I would a regular cloth and just wipe these leaves off. Just like that. As you can see, they start to get shiny and they start to get clean, and you can just kind of buff them out here. Just keep rubbing it until you start to get all the watermarks and things off of it. And if you want, you can take a nice soft towel and get off the excess. Now, this is natural. This is not going to clog the pores on the leaves or anything like that. And then what you can do is just take this particular banana leaf and put it in some water and let it soak for a while, and then water your plant with your banana leaves. And that's how you're going to shine your leaves on your orchids. All right, there you have it. I hope you found this tip useful. If so, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you'd like to become part of the Black Orchid Project community, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join us over on Instagram. That way you are always notified of new content and new tips as they become available. If you'd like more tips right now, go on and click on this playlist right here. That's going to do it for me today. As always, be safe. More importantly, be kind. Never give up on them. And until next time, peace.